what's up? We are at Aria Casino. By the way, this place is wrecking us. It's pretty empty, and I can see why.
And a 2-year.
2-year anniversary shirt, guys. Happy 3 years. Go buy some merch, and wish us luck. We're playing a game I've never seen before. So, what is it called? Lightning Gongs, and this is the Lions version. So, wish us luck.
Thumbs up.
And thumbs up, subscribe, and wish us luck. So here's a look at the machine, guys. So it looks very, what is it, Thunder Drums-ish to me, but I don't know. 75-cent bets made by Light and Wonder. Let's see what we can do. Let me mix it up first. Do it. That would have been exciting.
Yeah.
All right. 6 or more triggers the respin. Or 6 or more red ones triggers the respin. I don't know. There we go. Got some lotus flowers. 90 cents. Do it. So we got strike, respin, and repeat. Alright, so we got some little dancing lions. They shaboot. Alright, good little win for just a few fish and kings. $3. Almost back up to our 20. No respin. Alright, my turn. Oh, I needed a wild in there. That would have been nice. 20 cents though. 5 cents for 3 kings. Ooh. Lotus. Let's see what that pays. Yeah, but a lot of pay lines of it. $2.40. All right. Come on, let's get a bonus. I kind of like it so far. Pay lines are decent, especially with shabooting wilds.
Yeah, it's only 75 cents.
50 cents. Awesome jacks. Got some doggies coming through. Alright. Nope.
Come on.
Alright, come on, bonus. Come on. 3 or more triggers the strike. 3 or more probably triggers, yeah, the repeat. But any of them can set them off. 3 more. Did not get it. It's gonna be hard to get 6 of those. Probably hard.
That's the first time we saw 3.
I know. That's alright. Alright, my turn.
First time we got the strike.
Mix it up a little bit. Oh, $11.25. Come on, we need those wilds to start coming back out. Uh-oh. That's all. Come on, you can do it, guys. No. Uh-oh. 385 left. All right, I'm taking over. Gotta try to save us. That's my job. All right, 40 cents. There we go. Strike. Strike
$2
one.
to spare.
All right, let's see what this even means. Yeah, it's very dance thunder drums. I mean, like thunder drums. Okay, so it's just gonna give you a value. Come on. 930. 1050. All right, $12. 1350. Oh, that's it. $13.50.
We're down to $2.
All right. Hey, we'll take a win with some coins flying. Get those coins, Nana. There you go. You missed one. Probably spilled your coffee all over the place. All right. 13.50. All right, so I don't know which one's the good one. Like green is the good one on Thunder Drums.
We had repeats, but then it would have been good probably.
Yeah, if you can trigger multiples together. Oh, that's 20 cents per line, but still a lot of lines.
Yeah.
280. Okay. Well, I did my part, Nana. I saved
Look
us.
what I did. Oh, you did that.
Yes, I did that, Nana.
You finally did something. I'm shocked.
See, she always just tries to take credit for other people's stuff.
That's because you hardly do anything.
Oh, we gotta zoom back in.
Come on, don't lose it. We need to get more.
All right, you're out of here, Nana. You're out of here.
Oh, wait a minute.
No.
Do that again real quick.
We need it with one. One of them gives us free games. That's the one we want it with. Where we get the repeats. So it's probably the green. We want the green with whatever other one we get. Alright. That's all. Nana. She's gonna get us down to $2 again. Then I gotta save us, as always. There you go. Should be $1 maybe or something. Oh, 95 cents. I feel something coming.
Wow, it's having even
Alright, my
out,
turn.
but still.
I know. We need all three. I guess they're only in the middle three, probably, but. Oh, 37.50. That would have been nice.
Come on, do that again. Come on, get it.
Uh-oh. Last spin.
You didn't save us.
Alright, well, we're going to do a live transition to this one over here. So, Nana, get that ticket. And we're going to move to the other version. Lightning Gongs King. Oh, we should have had one. Hold on. Let me get my card in here. Nana says, what ticket? She's just trying to throw away our change that we leave behind. As if we're that rich. Let's put a 20 in. Oh, I did everything. I do it all, Nana. Let me fix my
I
chair.
like him. He looks a little majestic.
Well, he's a king, Nana. Kings are supposed to look majestic.
Volume's up yet.
Alright, so we still got the same three things. $15 mini, $50 minor, $882 major, and 10,236 grand. Let me mix it up. Oh, 4 of them.
6 automatically will do it.
Yeah. Come on, give us a bonus. So hard to get 6 to show.
Put both those together. Come
Or 3 of the same other symbol. Who's your daddy? Is he rich like me?
on.
Oh, all line wins 4 times. That's our wild,
Yeah,
but
we
we
didn't
get a
get
multiplier
much.
on this one. Alright, my turn. Oh, 3 times.
Aces.
Alright, $1.20. 4 more. Uh-oh, come on, get us multiple wilds coming out. So maybe we get multiple multipliers, I don't know. Or at least a bigger win.
Yeah,
Nana,
a little bit. No.
where's our, yeah, those thingies. Alright, my turn. I gotta mix it up. Oh, a double pop would be nice. specs.
We had a whole screen or something.
Checks. Yeah, I think I like the Shabooting Wilds better. Come on, bonus. Alright, finish us off, Nana.
One spin.
Needed a while there. Let me see. Okay, we got one more version. We're gonna move over.
I like this one.
All right, so this is Beauty, Lightning Gongs Beauty, guys. One more version. Let's see if she will be nice to us. There might be another version. I don't know, but we found 3. Okay. Before you sit down, see what this next one is. Is it a newer one or is it one we already played? I thought it was a guy. It's a different guy. Oh. Nana, you're not allowed to say that.
It's like a gold hat, but it's not.
You're not allowed to say that anymore. Nana's canceled. She grew up in a different time, guys. Don't hold it against her.
Negatively.
Alright, so 75-cent bets. Still the same gongs. And let me see if we need to mix it up. Okay.
Well, you got
There we go. Yeah, but it didn't pop.
So what's the character this wild?
This is a girl, but I don't know if she's the wild or what she does. Usually it only has 2 different ways, so it's either a shaboot. Yeah, it's a shaboot. Alright. Got a little bit. Thought it wasn't going to pay us there for a second.
I know.
Alright, see, the shaboots work better than those. So that one's probably a multiplier. 1 again. Come on. Well, they only do 2 different types, and if there's 4 machines, 2 of each. 4 more. Double pop. No. Come on, do a Thunder Drums Pops for us. Don't be so difficult. Just because we're at Aria. Give the machine a bad name. Oh, 2 more.
So we needed 2 more.
Yeah.
Well,
let's do it. Oh, they're showing up, but not 6 of them. It might turn, Nana.
mix it up
Maybe it just doesn't like you, Nana. Oh, 3 would have gotten us that. We had 2. I want to see another bonus.
Where's our wilds again?
I gotta do it. So many of them coming out, but not 6. Come on, bring 5 of your friends with you next time. 4 more. Come on, just do a pop, guys. My turn. Come on. Do it. We got the repeat.
Okay.
Alright.
He did it again. He's actually doing something today.
Let's see if this is the good one, though. Like on Thunder Drums, the green one's the one that gets all the money.
Well, now that we're
Golden bonus awarded. There we go.
Come on, gotta keep doing it. Keep doing it.
Come on, we need at least $4 or $5.
Keep doing it. Come on. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Come on. Keep going.
Come on, keep going. going, keep going. Almost 4. Alright, so now we get the spins. There we go. Yeah, so it's very Thunder Drums-esque.
Okay.
I think. Yeah. Let's see. Alright, yeah, so every time we get the golden gong.
Okay, we need
Come on. Give us a gong. Uh-oh. Gong, 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 gong. Yeah. Alright, we got one. Let's keep going. We need to earn about $200. That means we need a lot of those golden gongs. Well, you can't get that. You can only get these.
Well, sometime during this thing we need it.
Come on, give us 2 or 3. We can get full screens of stuff though. Still. Come on, give us another gong. Gong, 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 gong. Uh-oh, last spin. Gong, 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 gong. There we go. And we got some of these instruments, whatever that is. Alright, so we're ahead on this machine. Now I need to win it back for all the other machines. But we only put a 20 in each. So we need $40 more. Oh, there we go. There we go. And some lotus. Oh, these are wild. So we got the lotuses and the bracelet or necklace, whatever it is. Keep going, keep going. Let us get to 100 at least. Yeah. Alright, keep going, keep going.
Get 3 or 4 of those.
Gong, 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 gong. Oh, we need one of these in the front.
I know.
Come on, gong, 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 gong. Uh-oh, only 1 spin left. We got to get a gong. Come on, save us, save us. Save us. Gong, gong, gong. Gong, 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 gong. There we go. Could have gotten some more of him. If we had a gong right there, we would have gotten him. That's alright, we got our 3 spins back. Come on, gong, 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 gong. Alright, we're almost to 2 of those 20s back, so we're only down 1 now. Come on, gong, 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 gong. Alright, we gotta save it on this one right here. Come on, gong, 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 gong. Oh, it's done. Alright, well, we got 40 out of our 60 back. Okay, come on.
Okay, we did good on that.
Alright, so we're at 40, 50. We're going to go ahead and do 3 backups anyway, since we're still going to play the last one, just in case there's another bonus in it. Do 1 more spin, Nana. Alright, then we're going to move our $39 over to the other machine and play the last version of it. And then see if we can get back. So we're still in for 60. Let's see if we can get this up to 60. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Alright, and it's got the volume up.
1 cent.
Get that away from me. Alright. 1 cent, 75 cent bets. Oh, so this one is, did we even see the name of it? Okay, so this is Fortunes. There we go, guys. 75-cent bets. Let's zoom
Right
back
off
in.
the bat. 4 times.
All right.
With the jacks, but still.
$1.40.
Good start.
Alright, let's get a double or a triple pop this time. So we've had the blue, we've had the green, we haven't had the red. But we need the red and the green together.
Some wilds come out.
Alright, my turn. Yeah, where are those wilds? Give us some good line hits. Alright, don't go under 20. Alright, my turn. 3x with some aces.
He doesn't show.
Oh, it's 255. I was waiting for it to pay us, but I forgot because I stopped it. It already did. Aces that didn't go together, I guess. Come on, guys. Alright. 20, yeah. Oh, double pop would have been so nice. Three more.
Pop something to keep us going.
Yeah, I like the shabooting versions better. Alright, let me finish it off. A little bit. 2x.
Times 10.
Oh. 5x. Man, that's not bad for what we got showing. Come on, alright, finish us off. They had 2 spins. Do it. Last spin. Oh, we didn't get it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take our money and run. Make sure you guys check out tomorrow's videos and wish us luck on our Vegas trip. And we will see you next time.